Peace divines. So today I decided to wet my hair and add this lovely powder paste that I'm going to leave in the description, the recipe. And this is another one of my at-home videos showing you what I've been doing to my hair lately. Now I'm applying it to my scalp. I decided to apply it more so to my scalp instead of a lot of it to my ends, and I'm just applying it now to the scalp. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'm just pinning it up now, and of course getting my edges, and I will let it sit in my hair for a bit. So I am back in the bathroom after letting it marinate my hair. I just had me some chocolate and I took care of some things. But basically I put more of it on my scalp. I put a warm towel on my head, but it wasn't warm enough. And I didn't put too much of the paste on my ends. I didn't want to. And I'll put the ingredients in the description and in this video as well. But now I'm going to wash it out, and then I will style my hair. I will style my hair and wash this out. I'll be back in a little while. And so here is the hairstyle divines. And do some cornrows and some curls in the back. I use my foam rollers. This is just my pot pie in the oven break, and this was easy. I got this from Khadijah. I'll put her information in the description because I saw her do this hairstyle and I wanted to do it as well because it's natural and easy and just easy breezy. But yep, and so there we go. And I can say that using the powder with the oil, the recipe that I'll put in the description, it does make my hair feel even softer. Hair is soft, but doing these videos, it helps me to stay accountable to even doing things like this. So besides loving doing videos like this, I'm just love holding myself accountable like this. But this is my natural hairstyle, and I'm just grateful that it wasn't too time constrained, I guess because I had a lot of energy today. But yep, and this is what I'm just gonna wear for the rest of the week. And I do love when it puffs up more because it shows more density. And there we go, there we have it. Well, peace. If I'm gonna get back to my pot pie for my boop. And as always, I love my divines, and I'm just grateful to always come on here, and there'll be more vlogs, all type of vlogs, doing all different things. And I look forward to just staying more transparent and real and vulnerable with my divines and connecting with you all. And as always, be well, be true to yourself. Peace, divine.